An adventure in the forest. Matt was walking in the forest. He found a small deer on the path. They walked together down the path in the forest. The lake they saw was beautiful. It was big, clear, blue, and calm. The sun made the lake sparkle like gems on the water. Matt and the deer sat by the lake. The lake was quiet, but the birds were singing. Matt looked at the deer. She was drinking water. Matt splashed his face with water. It was hot outside. After a few moments, Matt saw a small white object in the water. Matt looked at the small deer and said, "Let us take a look." It was a boat. Matt stepped into the boat. "Wow, this is great." As Matt and the small deer floated down the lake, Matt saw a big house on the other side of the lake. "Is anybody home?" Matt decided to take a look. He and the deer walked toward the house. Matt and the small deer walked up to the house. The door was open. Nobody was home. The house was empty. There was no sound in the house. Only Matt's footsteps made sound. The furniture was old. The wallpaper was old. The floor was old. The doors were old. Everything was old. The chairs, the carpet on the stairs, the stairs. Matt looked around a little longer. Soon, Matt decided it was time to go. He and the small deer jumped into the small boat and floated away. What an adventure! Vocabulary and sentences. Forest. The forest has lots of trees. Path. People walk on a path. Boat. The boat floats in the water. Sparkle. The gem will sparkle in the sun. Gems. The gem is a pretty rock. Stairs. I use the stairs to go up to the second floor. Furniture. Furniture. Chair, table, couch. Easy English Cafe. Subscribe. Thank you.